everybody, this is Ranger Dave with Ranger Dave's Land Restoration, and I'm just hanging out here with the twins. I'm sure Mom is nearby feeding somewhere. A couple limbs I lopped off yesterday just to get them down and start limbing away at those oaks. But I just want to talk a little bit about the food web and about the coats of deer. So first of all, the food web. As far as the food web goes, deer eat a lot of different things. As you can see, they're eating moss and lichen right now, straight off the branch. Probably some fir needles too. Deer eat all kinds of things. I've seen deer hoof up mushrooms and eat them. So as far as the food web goes, when you're hacking away, it's best to respect every single piece of nature. You might not know what these deer eat. Now let's talk coats. We have a few things going on here. First of all, these deer look about a year old to me. So there are no longer spots on them, but they're yearlings. They're still rolling around with Mom. I've seen Mom with them often. I guarantee you she's probably in the bushes somewhere. Oh, there she is, actually, right there. Wow, okay. So there's Mom, right, creep my finger in there. Okay, there's Mom. So anyways, they're still hanging around with Mom. And what's going on now is they are kind of molting like birds do. They're shedding their winter coats and growing their summer coats. So similar to the way a flower will blossom and shed its petals and, grow flower. That's what goes on with their fur. They grow the thick stuff out and drop it off and grow a thinner and even different colored coat for the summer. And one thing I have noticed in blacktail is that the females stand out more than the males. They call them the gray ghost, and I swear I've seen some bucks that are grayer than all get out. So just one other thing to keep in mind. Just a couple siblings here feeding away. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you to everyone who's followed along so far. May the forest be with you.